What's up, guys? Remy with Excess Power Batteries here, and I want to cover a topic that a lot of people have asked about, and that is charging our super banks. So let's say you got one fresh out of the box. It is going to be at 0 volts. So as far as charging, two options. First option, any AGM or lithium charger under 15 amps is perfectly fine to just connect your negative to your positive, let it charge up, let it sit on the float stage after it finishes charging for about 6 or 7 hours. Good to go. Hook it up and install it. But let's say you don't have a charger. Out of the box, we thought of everything. Out of the box, you have a resistor. What you'll want to do is connect a 12-volt battery, any kind, to the negative, the negative, and then connect this little resistor in line between the positive of the capacitor and the other battery. What'll happen is this light will turn on, and the capacitor bank will slowly start to charge. Now, the actual resistor will get hot. It's resisting current, but it's slowly charging this battery instead of dumping all of the current into it all at once, which if you do that, you have a bad time. In using this resistor, it's just super simple and straightforward, and once the light turns off, it's fully charged and it's good to go. Now, reason I wanted to get that out there is because everybody has questions about capacitor banks that'll help stabilize your voltage. But as far as questions about charging, just give us a shout. Our phone number is 865-688-5953.